Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the problem in Print Preview so you know which sheet and page number is extra. Once done, switch to Page Break Preview to reveal exactly what content flows onto that page and why. Make sure to display hidden rows, columns, headers, and footers because empty cells or stray formatting often force a page. You'll act immediately on those visual clues. This saves time versus random tinkering and gives you a clear target for the fixes ahead. Now you remove the offending content. Select blank rows and columns past your data and delete them so Excel no longer treats them as part of the sheet. Then clear formatting from any cells that look empty but carry styles, because those invisible formats can push a new page. Next, explicitly set the print area to the exact range you want printed, and recheck Page Break Preview to confirm the extra page is gone. If not, tweak margins or scale to fit. Finish by adjusting page setup. Set margins, orientation, and use scaling like fit all columns or fit sheet on one page when appropriate. This often eliminates small overflow. If an extra page still appears, remove manual page breaks one by one and recheck preview. Make sure to inspect floating objects, charts, or hidden named ranges because they can anchor extra pages. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, copy just the true data range into a new workbook. This isolates and removes any invisible elements causing the extra page.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.